Hey, it's another episode. It's our day off today with Antonio anyway. So welcome to my blog again. It's another day and it's our day off today. So we are in Georgetown. We're in the Popeye. This is the Popeye. See that? So this is Antonio.
Hi. Sleeping child.
Yeah. So yeah, we have lots of things to do and now it's like almost done. So we are about to go home also. Ikaw tibay, ikaw kuyot ba? We're going to Foster's anyway, by the airport. So and this is the Georgetown. This is Georgetown area. What area is this like? What street?
Eastern Avenue.
Eastern Avenue. We are on the Eastern Avenue. So now we're moving. This is the Eastern Avenue right now. So let's go.
So what's the place here? What street?
All right. So look at the traffic now. It's like 2:10 right now. This traffic is until this traffic until most probably 3 o'clock. Then we'll build up again starting at 4 until 6. Quanto ba? Ano electric car ba?
Electric car?
Okay. Kuratan ka ba yun? Kuratan ka ba?
Kusog yung kubyada. Stuck out.
Dali, huwag ko kubantay ka.
Nigo.
Nigo na di ba? Businada tas likod. Yeah, we're close to the airport. This is the Napa man. Yeah, over here. It's spare parts.
This one they're talking.
And this is the service center over here.
So you going to Poster, man?
Yeah, man. So this is the airport over here. Still no plane right now. But we're going to the Foster's anyway. This is the Napa, like car dealer on that side, and this is the Foster's, and this is the airport. All right, let's go. So this is Foster's, like this, like one of the biggest supermarket in Cayman. So let's see if we can park. Now we can park in front of the Foster's. Right on. Over here. See? Right. Done buying some stuff. Going to Filipino what's that? Filipino products. Filipino store. Eastern Avenue back again. We forgot something. Oh, parehas mo. Port area. This is the A.L. Thompson, one of the big.
Dini. Pwede na sa diyo.
Yes, to.
Kaya mo ni sa bana kana. Mr. Pat kana Mr. Pat. Oh, yes tungod pa parking. Pwede na. Okay. Ari ni sa welcome Mr. Pat.
So, by the way, there's the Filipino stores down here in Cayman Island. That one, Mr. Pat. Over here at the Eastern Avenue. So let's go inside. Boss, nag-vlog lang ako. Okay lang. Ha? Sa Sa resort din ako eh, sa ano.
So, Filipino po dito.
Oh, Filipino. Yeah. So that everybody will know that there's a Filipino foods down here. Yeah. So, what is it? Mr. Pat, no? Yeah. And you're the Mr. Pat. Yeah. Okay. Thank you. Thank you, boss. Yeah. So these are all the Filipino products down here. They have everything. Antonio's on front. Chef Antonio. Yeah. See? Look at this. Everything's here. Yeah. Hopia, crackers, sunflowers, piatos. Hey, if you want some pickles also down here. So these are all the Filipino products down here. A puso. And there's some alcohol also there. Right. Yeah. So like whiskey, whiskey. There's all whiskey on top, and there's rum. Oh, the Napoleon. Say Napoleon? Over here. Dito sila bumili ng Napoleon. Yung mga Pilipino na they have food there also in Cayman. You have San Miguel too? No? Okay. Okay. My goodness. Yeah. Yeah, that's all Filipino products. Is sardinas. And we have the century tuna down here. So. Dato puti. Butter cookies, chocolate crunch, whatever you're looking for. If you're a Filipino over here. Kobe, kaong, everything is here, huh? Kapuno. You got mungo also. Yeah, there's soft drinks down here.
The blue one.
Everything's here. Sir, you have a sukang pinakurat? Oh, yeah. This is my wife's favorite suka. Anyway, look at this. In Cayman. See the price? Look at this price. $5.15 Cayman dollars. So, sukang pinakurat. Huh?
Paris na ito danggit.
Oh. Yeah.
Pinakurat. Tapos,
Yeah.
isa sa pinakurat.
Oo, tama yan.
Nice one.
Ito, panutsa, pambigo.
Oh, panutsa also.
Pambigo.
So just in case everybody wants a panutsa
Panutsa.
over here.
For bigo.
Yeah, for Biko. Christmas is coming, New Year is coming. Everything's here. Yeah, dried fish. Pulburon?
Pulburon. May miss
Oh,
pulburon.
nice. Pastillas. Yeah, pastillas.
Oh, pastillas. Oh.
Yeah, pastillas. Oh, wait, see?
Pastillas.
Pastilan.
Pastilang yung mahalag yun.
Bihon.
Wait, you have bihon also, right?
Ay,
Yeah.
bihon na.
Yeah, over here. So this for
Parabok.
Christmas.
Oh.
So this for halo. If you halo in Christmas, then you can make your own halo. If you all right, that's all this. Yeah, that's all. Thank you, sir. Mr. Pat, thank you so much. And Mrs. Pat, thank you so much. Yeah. Just in case, Naked Mixology. That's my YouTube channel.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
I'm back now. Approaching, going home. See the traffic. My goodness, long traffic. All the planes on there. This is the Sabana area. There is another supermarket this area also. They call Foster's. Another Foster's. I think there's like Foster's in 7 Mile Beach, and there's Foster's in Georgetown by the airport, and then there's a Foster's by Savannah, where it's like close where we live at the estate, where I live actually. So it's really close.
Wala, tumugod na dyan. Paliot ba?
Okay, start raining now. See that? There's the south. Hey, I just came back from I'm home, so yeah, there's home right now. So this like almost the same like home. There's like coconut tree behind. There's coconut tree by the house. So it's just like home in the Philippines, you know. So I just came back from Georgetown. So there you go. By the way, before I end up, I just came back from town, and then we've been in the Filipino store in Georgetown. Mr. Pat. That's the first time that I've been in that store. There's a lot of Filipino products, but still need more products than that. I think they have more, but maybe the supply just finished. Maybe some more is coming in, but still, if you see, there's a lot of choices inside. All right, thank you so much. Anyway, before we end up, please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, the Nikit Mixology, my IG, and then my Facebook page. Thank you so much. I see you next time.